Hello my friends and welcome to this new video dedicated to the recipe for tomato sauce. This tomato sauce can be used as a base for absolutely all your preparation, such as pasta or stews. I invite you to discover this culinary technique right away. We start by putting the olive oil and the butter in your saucepan, which we heat over low heat. We then pour in carrots and onion, all very finely chopped, because the cooking will be short. Cook gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we have the garlic. The tomatoes. We salt, we pepper. And we pour the cold water. Add the bouquet garni. The bouquet garni is made up of 2 pieces of green leeks in which we put a bay leaf, a few stalks of parsley, a small branch of celery, a branch of thyme, the whole being held together by twine. When we reach a proper boil, like this, we count 15 minutes, then we step back from the fire. Remove the bouquet garni. You have the choice. Either you mix with a blender, in this case the sauce takes on an orange hue. Either you simply go to the vegetable mill and your sauce will be ready. Always check the sugar seasoning after cooking and recheck for salt and pepper. That is, friends. Our tomato sauce is now finished. I wish you beautiful and good culinary preparation and see you very soon for the next video. Au revoir mes amis.